this, I bought this silicone mold. Now I have taken this epoxy resin. It works quite well for both resin casting and coating. You can buy these products from the link in the description below. But what is casting and what is coating? Well, in casting, we pour the resin into the mold, and in coating, we apply a layer of resin on the base like wood. Since its ratio is 1:3, that is 1 part hardener, 3 parts resin. The ratio information will be available on the packet of your resin. I took 50 ml hardener and 150 ml resin and mixed them slowly for 3 minutes. If you hurry in mixing, bubbles can form and your art piece won't get a glass-like finish. Apart from this, there's also a working time. This is the time in which you must complete your artwork. After that, the resin will start to harden. Whenever you work with resin, always use gloves. After pouring resin into all the molds, I added dry flowers to each one. You can use any kind of flower, but make sure it is completely dry. For that, you can use silica gel to dry them. After adding the flowers, press them lightly so that they get submerged in the resin. After about 12 hours, I checked to see if it was fully dry. It wasn't completely dry yet and was still a bit bendy. After 12 more hours, it was fully dry. I demolded all the pieces and look how aesthetic they turned out. All of them have a glass finish. Now comes the part where we drill the holes in them. So, using a drill bit of around 2 to 3 mm, I drilled 2 holes in each piece in opposite direction. Now taking molded clay, mixed both the components together and made a rope-like shape out of it. I shaped it into a circular form and left it to dry. Then using the remaining clay, cutting it into multiple pieces, I made holes with a bamboo stick and left them to dry. Now we have 2 rings and these beads ready. Inserting the beads onto a bamboo stick and covering them with the gesso. If you want, you can use macrame beads. I did not have any, so I made mine using clay. After letting them dry completely, I painted the beads using a mix of walnut cream chalk paint with a little brown and yellow tone of acrylic colors. Now I wrapped and fully covered the ring with the macrame thread. In the same way, I covered the second ring with the green macrame thread. Now all our pieces are ready to be assembled. For assembling, I used elastic wire. I attached all the resin pieces in sets of 4, inserting our handmade beads in between them. In this way, I made 4 sets. Then I took a cute white lace and inserted beads into it. I added only 2 beads in one lace. That's how I made 4 pieces. Now we will attach all the pieces to the ring. When I attached the resin sets, the ring broke because it was a bit thin, so I used the green one instead. After attaching the resin pieces, I also attached the lace sets. Next, making a knot of transparent wire in the white feather and attached it at the end of all the resin sets. At the end, I took a thick white thread and attached it to the ring at 4 points. Between each of them, I inserted beads and tied knots. Then added 2 more beads for decoration. And our beautiful floral resin wind chime is ready.